To fix Instagram login error. Hello everyone. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Instagram. Open then Instagram like this. Now scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click now on force stop and click OK. And now go to permission option and you have to go to files and media. Allow access to media only, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another